Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add music into your content or into your videos in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, when you need interest to create a project, you can do that by going to File, New Project, and from there you can create a project. Then you will need to have already some content or some content that you have added into your project, and to do so either you can get it from your media or from your uh, machine, and you will need just to click on add or this icon, and from there you will need just to drag and drop. And here I have this content here, and to do or to add any music or any voice or any sound, all you will need to do is to go to audio. And basically here in this menu, we will find this audio menu. We click on audio, and from here you will find like AI sound effects, etc. Then you will go to mine, and from here you will find all your projects or all your music. You can drop your audio or you can import them. So let's just go to anywhere where you can be able to find an audio, and basically we need just like to have them to be like this file, so an MP3 or whatever, and basically you will need just to add there. So for example, we can choose anyone. So let's just go with this one, and you will need just to drag and drop it. And of course, you will control the length of it. And this is the voice, like the audio. You can add the audio. You can add it from here, like do whatever you like. And then you choose which timeline you want to have the audio and etc. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.